Hello, welcome to week 8. This is Katie Krummick. I'm one of the instructors for Design Thinking for Social Innovation. I'm coming to you from a poorly lit hotel room in Philadelphia. I'm here for a conference around increasing the number of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math teachers that are in the field. And I'm excited to talk to you about what our goals are for this week. So again, welcome to week 8. So at this point, you should have tested your idea with a stakeholder, really got out into the world and tried something out, created an experience for your stakeholder, and now have data, feedback from what you learned from that experience. So this week is all about taking that data, reflecting and iterating on your idea to improve. So here we are kind of in this last final phase of test, and you've completed your test, and now you're trying to make sense of what you learned. So just as a refresher, with testing, you are using your prototype to elicit authentic responses and feedback about your idea. You're setting a stage for people, you're creating an experience. So instead of telling people about your idea and kind of pitching them, you want to create artifacts, create an experience that they engage with, because what we found is that gives them an opportunity to give you more detailed, in-depth feedback, and they also have had an experience that they're responding to, as opposed to kind of a theoretical idea. So you're going to use the design frameworks for this week to take that data that you got from observing the stakeholders participating in your prototype, and the debrief afterwards when you talk to them about their experience and what they thought. You're going to use the frameworks to make sense of that data, refine your concept, iterate, and then also think about, what do you need to do next if you're going to continue on with this project? Do you need to go and do more empathy work, more design research to understand the needs of stakeholders? Are you ready to continue to kind of prototype and test to further develop your idea? Or are you so confident in your idea that you're ready to move on toward implementation? So assess kind of where you would go next if you were going to continue with this project. And then next week, we're going to talk about how to tell the story of your design work and share what you learned, and also share the idea that you've developed through your design work. So we'll do a bit of storytelling for week 9. And then in week 10, you're going to kind of complete the project retrospective assignment, where you look back on all the design work that you've done, make sense of it, pull all the insights out, and kind of tell that story of your journey. So that's kind of what's coming up in weeks 9 and 10. But for week 8, again, you want to read and watch the course content, participate in online discussion groups, as everyone is doing beautifully. You're going to meet with your peer mentor group and then complete that quiz that just indicates that you did in fact meet. And if you have some issue with the quiz, don't hesitate to email. And you'll complete the design frameworks for week 8 in Mural. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out over email or sign up for office hours, and we'll see you next week. Thank you so much.